What is this Samaj Seva you did? Zakir Hussain told me a lot of dogs in the area and things like that.
Thank God you called it Samaj Seva. Rohan Sippy calls me kidnapper of dogs and puppies.
That's the South Bombay and Rohan Sippy speaking. I'm just joking.
No, but he
What is
also
that
adopted
about?
one. So
Lovely.
we all adopted about 15 puppies from the streets. And it is very clear, because they say in the winter months that we were there, that either the puppies, they grow and thrive if they are looked after by someone, otherwise the leopards pick them up in the night over there. So we rescued such, and you will not believe, क्या तुम प्योर ब्रीड पपी को हमारे पहाड़ी कुत्ते से कंपेयर करोगे? आप पहाड़ी कुत्ता very sturdy, strong and furry and beautiful. Like if you take any of these puppies out who are from the street, people say, oh my God, what breed is this? These are, tough pahadi dogs.
Ravina Tandon from Me Rishike and everybody who's watching, listening. It's just so lovely to have you back in the movies, or in this case, back in the series.
Thank you so much, Rishi, and it's so great to see you again and hear you again. And we've met a couple of times, I think, in the radio studios, once or twice, I think.
Of course.
Yes, and I think it was for some promotions only. I think
Yes.
I'd come to Radio 1 or vaguely, but Rishikesh, yes.
You have great memory cells. You know, my wife says this, and we have very little children, but she says every woman who's a working woman, when she has a child, she goes through FOMO, which is Gen X's way of saying fear of missing out. And looks to me like Kasturi Dogra is going through a classic case of FOMO.
Absolutely, because as you saw in the trailer, it's the opportunity that she was waiting lifelong for, and it came her way just when she realized that she had to take a break for her family and that her family needed her. And that opportunity comes exactly at the time, and that fear of it being, after so many years of putting in that hard work and being there, and that being literally sneaked away by her male colleague or another male counterpart, is something that she just cannot live down.
It's wonderful with OTT platforms that the lines are blurring, because you have so many actors from regional cinema who are now coming into the mainstream. I think Parambrata Chatterjee is a wonderful talent, and I haven't seen much. The Netflix people are kind enough to show me a few minutes, and I saw a couple of the scenes that you have with him. I mean, it's just two powerful actors in a frame together. But I think it's just wonderful to see your relationship with that character evolve. From a bit of nafrat to a bit of when you're having dinner together,
Camaraderie.
something happens,
Yeah.
and then almost for a bit you feel maybe they're crushing on each other. So talk about
That was the fear we actually had while doing that. Oh, they showed you all that scene, is it? So we're like, doesn't it look like that these two have kept the husband aside? But jokes apart, that is not the track in the show. But the fact being that, yes, there suddenly starts building up a sense of camaraderie where he respects her. He starts respecting her and realizing that, she is all there. It's not just... And the fact that she is also okay with the fact that now I have no choice but to work with him. And now he is giving me that respect and letting me take the lead, whereas it would be a clash of egos. And the very base of the entire confrontation right in the beginning is that he is taking over her place, which hesitantly she still doesn't want to let go. She's literally clutching onto the last threads of the power that she had in that station, and now suddenly everyone's answerable to him, is what she can't let go of her throne there. So it's a very great relationship that builds up in the series.
And you must have really appreciated the writing. I think it's very smart writing. Especially when the husband turns around to Kasturi and says, you're trying to be an all-in-one. You're trying to be a bit of Sunny Leone, a bit of the action hero and everything. And it doesn't work out and things like that. And I'm sure there are lines like that throughout. And for an actress like you to dig your teeth into a role, to have those punchlines must be spectacular. Enjoyed mouthing them, saying them, yeah?
Oh, completely. But if you see that this is a fictional tale. We are telling a story, but with very real people. And that is something that we've not let go. So we didn't want any false bravados. We didn't want any swaggering coming in, doing a thing with a cap or, rolling the gun or holding the gun this way and shooting. I remember, in fact, there was a time because I actually do target practice. I used to, I still, because of the pandemic, I haven't gone.
Go too early to that shooting
I go
range?
too early, yes. I go to the shooting range. I'm a member there. In fact, the last time I had a frozen shoulder and I was in the middle of heading to there to shoot over here, and I was undergoing physiotherapy, but still there was a competition and I took part in the 10 meter. But unfortunately, I didn't make the mark because I had a lot of strain in my left shoulder just after Nach Baliye. I had completely pulled a muscle while hanging on that, what is it called? The...
Pulley? I don't know.
No,
From my size, you can make out the gym and me are not friends.
that's not good. No, Nach Baliye, I had this thing where I fall, and the entry was through this
Aerial silk. I don't know.
Yeah, yes, it's something like that. No, that's that aerial silk, that's the thread thing. No, it's not that. But I'm just missing out the word now. That'll irritate me that how come I've done that all my life and I don't remember the word. So nonetheless, coming back to Aranyak. So there was a shot where I come running in and just accidentally, I don't know, I think I was concentrating somewhere and my gun was here, and there from behind shouts out Vinay ji, "Arey, ye wo film nahi ban rahi hai, I will not name. Ye hum web series real kar rahe hain, to bandook zara aap seedhi kar dijiye." So, there's no heroics to any of our characters. We are just playing very, very real people who probably, even when they fire, sometimes it misfires because they still have those old country-made guns. Which is a fact, which some of our cops still are using. So it is that kind of a thing. There's no bravado, there's no extra heroics, there's no, oh, I've got this dialogue, to main aise style se marungi. No, it has to come, even if it is a line that is even slightly filmy, it had to come very, very straight bang on.
All of a sudden, I have even more respect for you. Because, Anjali Bhagwat, the Olympian,
yes.
I spent a month with her during the Olympics because we were doing expert bites and things like that.
Yes.
And she's told me about a shooter's life and, a rifle person's life, and you're doing that in the
In
range.
fact, my coach is Ronak Pandit.
Oh, wow.
Whose wife is Hina.
Yeah.
She's our gold medalist. Yes.
Amazing.
So I've been doing that for a while, but again, that's what I was telling in my interviews, that, I want to live my life for the fullest. I've always wanted to do what I've always wanted to do, and I see to it that whatever I'm doing at that time, I give it my 100%.
I've been doing these interviews, and these so-called serious actors, of course, there's no art film and commercial film anymore. The lines are blurred, thankfully. I mean, an actor is an
Such a
actor.
corny line coming in my mind.
Say.
अब मैं सिर्फ अखियों से नहीं गोली मारती. I could not stop myself from saying that. थप्पड़ मारो. विनय जी होते तो बोलते उतारो फिल्मीपन अपना.
But really, you would think Ashutosh Rana and Zakir Hussain are art film actors from the 90s, 2000s, because I'm also from that era. But, the respect they have for your commercial film work. Yeah. And, the way they talk, saying, boss, low, people think it's easy to do the song and dance routine. And we've seen Ravina Tandon do that. And look at her do this. I don't think you make too much of a deal about it. But it is a big deal for a lot of people. And I hope you realize that. I mean, straddling both sides of cinema.
Well, sometimes I used to tell people, if you read some of my earlier interviews, I used to tell them that, honestly, just to wear a cotton sari and do no makeup and just leave your hair open and clip it up behind and then concentrate only on your dialogues is the best thing in life to do and easiest thing to do in life, because you're only focusing on that. But to wear 5 kgs of a costume and another 2 kgs of a wig, and then in that 49 degrees wear a leather jacket or a leather costume and high-heeled boots, and then try and emote the same thing with another 1.5 kilo of makeup on your face. Man, that's not easy. not an easy life at all. So I always made this conscious effort also to try and balance out the kind of roles I did, right? So if you saw me do that, you also saw me do this.
I mean, even somebody of your repute and fame, I'm sure must have faced a lot of toxic masculinity. The show deals a lot with that. A woman grappling with, a husband who just turns around and is just very standoffish.
Dismissive, yeah.
Dismissive.
Of the kind of work that you do.
Cops in the station who suddenly turn around and say, isn't this your time off? Why are you doing this? And things like that. But in the midst of that, what I love is the father-in-law and the daughter-in-law relationship. I mean, it's like, I told Ashutosh this, and I said, Hindi cinema has really OD'd on the father-daughter relationship. And really, you wish sometimes there would be more father-in-law, daughter-in-law relationships, whereby in this particular case, the guy actually turns around and says, she's more of a daughter to me than this guy. And that must have been very special to you, that relationship which Kasturi has.
So see, that is also a very good thing about this, that we are breaking, though we are talking about a male-dominated society here, but we are breaking a bit of those completely stereotypical patriarchal norms. Whereas the obvious friction, people would think, it comes from the in-laws, in a woman's life. But here we have shown the father-in-law completely in support of the daughter-in-law, and he knows her passion because he used to be like that, you see. So he's a police wala himself, and he can see that. He can see himself in her. He can see the drive that she has, the zeal that she has to be and to prove herself and to do what she has to do and achieve. Because she also knows she's a brilliant cop. It's not that she thinks herself any lesser from anyone. And he knows that she's a brilliant cop as well. So that entire emotional support system is only her who's a pillar of strength. And it's not, and the line is not, ke, she is the son I never had. That is not the line. She is the child that never had. So why does a woman always have to be compared to what a son can do? So that is something that we've completely broken against. Why are we always compared to the son or the male? It is the santan or the child that I never had who proved it for me. So there's no gender bias over there.
Well, I hope journalists have been asking you about the child stars. It's just wonderful to see. Children are so smart these days. I mean, you're a mother yourself. So this girl who plays your daughter, I just saw random scenes of her and you in the kitchen and things like that. Enjoyed working with the child stars, and what do you think of them? I mean, there was a time when child stars used to be very precocious and Mr. and Miss Know-It-all. This
so
generation
the boy
is
who
different.
plays my son Manoj, he was very clear कि मैं अगली उसका पीढ़ी का सुपरस्टार हूँ. तो we used to call him superhero only. We say ये तो superstar है हमारे बीच में. So he was very confident. He knew what he had to do, where he had to do. The girl who's playing my daughter, Nutan, the character Naranyak, is actually studying to be a dentist in Pune. And this is her passion. And this was her first film, which is so amazing because the experience that she comes up with in her scenes was so refreshing. The guy who plays her boyfriend, Bunty, also first-time actor, just came from Chandigarh, wants to be an actor. Never ever faced the camera before. And I think the way they all have performed has been just completely brilliant.
Are you a mountain person or a beach person?
Mountain.
So what was a post-pack-up routine like? Ashutosh said he just used to go back to the room. I said, my God, how can you...
No. So me and my team used to go for picnics, and if we had a day off, we'd go venture out somewhere else. We'd go to the different areas, explore, go into the forest. That is what I love doing. So that's my passion. Besides doing wildlife photography, I love just walks, trekking. We discovered where all we went. We went to Hamta Pass and discovered the highest dhaba ever in the world on the mountain peak. I dragged all of them. I said, come on, we'll go and have lunch over there. So whenever we had free time, we made the most of the mountains.
And unit food was what? Local Pahadi food or?
It was a mix of both, but the Pahadi food was so interesting and so phenomenally fantastic, I can't tell you.
Tell me about Vinay. I don't know much about him. What struck you about him the most? I mean, you worked with so many directors. You worked with the maestros. You worked with the newbies. What is it that really instinctively spoke to you about him?
Well, honestly, Vinay is a gentleman, very soft-spoken, very gentle. But he's a complete different personality when he's working. When he's working, it is difficult for a director to streamline around 200 artists into his vision, how he sees this happen. And then the way the lines are written and the way he wanted us to perform. So he would also exactly make us do what he wanted and say the lines exactly the way they are. Once he had got that in his pocket, then he would say, now tell me what you want to do and what you feel like doing. It could be better. So he gave us that freedom as well. But after he got what he wanted, and there were times when we would pursue because it was, sometimes we actors, when we're reading a scene or something, it's very preconceived in our mind how we are going to do it, right? but he's also very, very clear in his mind how he wants it. And I think that was such a great quality because he's already got in his pocket what he wanted. Now he gives us the liberty to do what we want to do, which was fantastic.
My last question is, well, the holidays are coming up. Do you guys get the Christmas tree out? Do you take a break in December, January?
I
You know,
do,
your
I do,
husband, you,
because
your
my children
family?
have vacations as well, so I do.
So, what are your plans now for this year?
The next forest,
Oh, lovely.
exploring again.
Yeah, and the kids enjoy the tree coming out and things like that. You put out
Yeah, they do. So my kids normally, my daughter, very enthused about, and the fact that she gets her Christmas presents as well. So Diwali presents ke baad, then now we have to start thinking Christmas presents also. So it's all in fun. She puts up a tree and there's a present for everyone, including the cat in the house, including the dogs in the house. Besides, of course, us, the family first, then our entire staff, and then the pets of the family. So everyone gets a present.
What is the Samaj Seva you did? Zakir Hussain told me a lot of dogs in the area and things like that.
Thank God you called it Samaj Seva. Rohan Sippi calls me kidnapper of dogs and puppies.
That's the South Bombay and Rohan Sippy speaking. I'm just joking.
No, but he also adopted one. So
lovely.
we all adopted about 15 puppies from the streets. And it is very clear because they say in the winter months that we were there that either the puppies they grow and thrive if they are looked after by someone, otherwise the leopards pick them up in the night over there. So we rescued such, and you will not believe, क्या तुम प्योर ब्रीड पपी को हमारे पहाड़ी कुत्ते से कंपेयर करोगे? आप पहाड़ी कुत्ता pretty sturdy, strong and furry and beautiful. Like if you take any of these puppies out who are from the street, people say, oh my God, what breed is this? These are, tough pahadi dogs. I have two. So many of my friends have adopted. Our stylist adopted, Rohan adopted, our camera DOP adopted. The guy who used to do the caterer, who used to bring lunch, he adopted one. So these were about 5-6 puppies in the unit, and then the rest of them, one got adopted in Chandigarh in a major's house, one went to a hotel owner in Manali, another went, my makeup man adopted one, Bella. So yeah, we have a lot of them got
Adoptive parents.
One
Lovely.
went to Delhi. Yeah.
Ravina, you're wonderful. Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
all the best. Cheers.
Thanks.
Thank you.